What's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and we got heavy hitter number 2 in the building, and I'm telling you, this guy is bringing the noise. He goes by the name of LLOOKE. Whatever you do, people, do not underestimate this guy. He's been getting down for quite some time, and if you have not checked out his lineup, go over, have a peek. You will not be disappointed. But let's go ahead and take a closer look at this watch face. Now, the name of it is called LLOOKE 25. I thought he did an excellent job with this watch face, so we're giving him 3 thumbs up in the door with no problem. Now, what I like about the look of this watch face, first of all, is that everything is very legible. For a guy like me, I need it. I need it badly, right? Now, in AOD mode, you're going to get a nice look. You're pretty much going to get the same look as you would when the watch face is on. Now, once it's on, what I like most about the watch face is that your step status info is all in one place. It's at the top. You're going to get your goal completed as well. I haven't been anywhere, so you won't see the meter there, but you're going to get information on your steps, floors climbed, your heart rate, miles walked or ran, and you're also going to get information on your calories burned. You're going to get your battery info, your date, and I like the fact that he spelled Saturday out and the month. Listen, this is a good look for a guy like me. Everything is very legible, and you're going to get your stacked digital time with animated seconds. Now, this is a 24-hour and a 12-hour watch face, so it's going to fit all people, so don't worry about that. Now, here's some things that you can do with this watch face, because it is interactive and it packs a heavy punch. Now, if I single tap on the 10, it's going to bring up where I can set my favorites or my shortcuts, or however you want to call it, to make the watch face a little bit more convenient. You got 4 places in which you can tap to in order to do so. And I thought that was super awesome, right? To be able to make the watch face just that much more convenient. And you can tap on the date. You can bring up your calendar, set an event. Yes, this is nice, people. This is nice. Get your heart rate information. You can go in and get more of your step status info as well. So yeah, my man did a really good job. And you can tap on here and get your battery info as well. Now, here's a couple of other things you can do with this watch face, which I thought was pretty cool. I told you it packed a punch, right? If you tap right here on the floors, double tap, you can change the color theme of your step status info, which I thought was super cool. You can dim it all the way down at night if you choose to, or you can bring it back up and light it up. That's awesome. And then if I tap on the 75, I can change the color theme on my battery info, which I thought was super slick. You got many different colors that you can change this to, which I thought was awesome. And if I tap on LLOOKE, I can change the color and the look of the index, as you've seen. Yes, nice, baby, nice. All right, LLOOKE, my friend, you're doing your thing. Continue to get down, my man. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. I know you got to get ready for the Monday grind, and the Super Bowl is taking place this evening. All right, you all, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.